am going to open the bargain bead box for the month of February, and this box is called Citrus. So with this particular subscription, it comes in a bag like this to save on cost so that you get more beads. It is very reasonably priced at $17.95, and if you use the coupon, boy, I cannot speak, the coupon GGC2, you will get $2 off your first subscription box. And comes with this little piece of paper here, and it tells you about the beads you're going to get, gives you a coupon for the sister site and a contest to enter your creations in, and then on the back you have your identification key. Each bag is numbered, and each number is listed with what each item is on the back of this piece of paper. So this month is Citrus. So it says, when life gives you lemons, make jewelry. Citrus is trending across the design world this spring. Our inspiration this month comes from fresh, bright lemon and lime. So, and there's more there, but I can't seem to speak correctly, so I'm going to stop reading. Anyway, this is the quantity. I'll dump it out so you can see there's a bunch of stuff in this bag. And then I'm going to go ahead and go off camera and put these in order so that I can open them and show you and read to you off the identification key exactly what each one is. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I've just kind of lined them up. You can't really see them. They're a little off camera. But number one is 40 pieces of 8mm leaf bead caps. So let's look at 40 pieces. That's quite a few. And these look like they're going to be really pretty. So look at these. Let's get you close. Those are really very pretty little bead caps. And you get 40 of them. So that's nice. And that is number one. Number two, 5 sets of 14 by 19mm smooth toggles. Toggles are always nice. And these are small ones. Sometimes I just want something small on a smaller bracelet. And that's what this looks like. And that's quite a few sets. Let me back off just a little bit again. So I can put these all back into the bag. Yeah, sure I can. Okay, and then number three. 100 piece 4mm daisy spacer beads. It's always nice to have little daisy spacers. I like them. So let me get you close again so you can see how cute these little guys are. They're 4mm, and those are really nice to use between pearls or almost anything when you're making a stringing necklace. It's really nice to have a little spacer to use in metal like this. It's pretty. And again, I threw them across the bead mat. Blah. Okay. Number four, 7-inch strand of 6mm faceted Malaysia jade quartz. So this is actually quartz. That's nice. They're round beads. They're jade color, but they are quartz. So they're a gemstone, and they are pretty. I like them. Very nice. And then I threw my bag over here. Jeez, I'm just throwing stuff all over the place. And then number 5 is 12-piece 10 by 9mm matte striped crystal round beads. These are pretty. I like these matte striped ones. They tend to put something similar to this in each box, and I really like that. That's really pretty. And then number 6 is 20-piece 10mm lemon slice handmade polymer clay beads. They look like little sponges or something. There you go. Little lemon slices. They could be cute. You could make something whimsical with that. Okay. And then number 7 is 2-piece 34 by 20mm leaf chandelier components. These are pretty. You could make some really cool dangles with those. Those are cool. And I think I would use this as a pendant. I think I would connect some chain, each one a little bit longer, all the way down on each side, and use that as a pendant, and use several chains coming up this way on the connection. I think that would be really cool. Maybe I'll do that. I always promise I'm going to do it. I can't keep caught up, but I promise you I will show you some of my finished jewelry on a future video. I promise. And then number 8 is 4-piece 25mm triple leaf drop. So let's see. I like these leaf drops. I like when they have several. These are cool. That's really cool. I like the components that this particular box adds. It really helps to have different components like this when you're stringing or wire wrapping or things like that. It just gives you a little bit inspiration to become more creative with them. I really like them. I like this box. This is a good box. And then number 9 is 8-inch strand 6x4mm crystal rondelle beads matte lemon chiffon. So these are kind of a matte, well they are matte, but they're really pretty. They have that little checkerboard type cut to them. It's really pretty. Get you closer so you can see them really well. Those are nice beads. And then we have number 10, which is 10-piece, approximately 10mm lampwork glass round beads. Let's see. That's kind of interesting. If you like yellow and green, boy, this is your box. Most definitely. Number 11 is 15-inch strand 6mm crackle agate round beads. So this is a gemstone, and it's lemon meringue color. And it's kind of a nice matte too. Those are cool. Nice. And then this was number 11, so we need number 12. And this is 4-piece Never Never Give Up charms. Oh, those are cute. Let's get these out. Maybe. Fingers will cooperate here. Well, those are neat. If you have somebody that's struggling with something or whatever, that would be neat to put a little charm on a bracelet for them, or even a little pendant on a chain. That would be nice. And then number 13 is a top drilled yellow agate pendant, and I can see that this is going to be a very big one. If I ever get these put away, I'll show you. This is a big piece of agate. Huge. Look at that. That's huge. Really pretty though. I like agate. It's just always so, I don't know, yummy. Yes would be the word. Number 14. So that's a big pendant, guys. And number 14 is approximately 5.5-inch strand lime green opaque glass beads. So let me get these out. Those are neat. I like those. They have a nice porcelain type look to it. I like that. Number 15 is 1 meter of steel jewelry chain. So let's look at this. Oh, this is a pretty one. Nice and sparkly. Nice piece of chain. I'm getting really nice chain collection from getting this box because they always send a nice piece of chain. And I was low on chain for a while there. Now I have some every time I want to add an extender or whatever. It's just really nice to have some chain on hand. This is number 16, and this is 7.5-inch strand 8mm Fiori, I never can say that, glass coin beads. Those are pretty. You make some really whimsical pieces with these. They could be just kind of springy and summery type of pieces. And then number 17 is 2-piece 13mm enameled brass lemon charms. There you go. You make little lemon earrings. Those are kind of cute. Kind of like those. They're really cute. And then number 18 is a 7.5-inch strand yellow agate English cut round beads. Let's see. So if it's agate, it again is a gemstone bead. Oh, these are cool. Okay, I gotta get you close to these. These are really, really neat. Look at those. Of course, I like gemstones, but those are really nice. I like those. This is going to be a fun one to play with. So anyway, that is what is in the box. Bargain bead box for February. Let me show you. Just kind of spread them out. I'm not putting them in any particular order. Just letting you see what you get. And I'll back off so you can see. And that is your bargain bead box. It is $17.95 a month, which is one of the most affordable, if not the most affordable subscription boxes. You always get really nice components in it, and you get a lot of gemstone beads. And if you're a stringer in particular or a wire wrapper, you always get nice pendants and things in this. It's really a really nice box. And if you use the code GGC2, you will get $2 off your subscription for your first box. Anyway, that is what it looks like, and I hope you've enjoyed looking at these beads, and perhaps you'll consider getting yourself a subscription. Bye-bye.